Hi, I'm Kevin and I'm talking about this product right here. It is called Swifty Sharp. It's a knife sharpener, but it's actually a lot more than that. In addition to sharpening your everyday, your household knives, it can also sharpen those serrated knives that are great for bread. It can also sharpen scissors. Everybody has old dull scissors around the house. And it goes even further. It sharpens household tools, precision tools like army knives or screwdrivers even. That's what makes it so great. So I just took it out of the box, and I want you to notice it's got this black part here. It's called the guide. The guide rotates around the body of the Swifty Sharp, and on the guide it has these little symbols. This is a first place to start is with this arrow symbol. You line up the arrow symbol with the top of the body, I guess. There's a seam here, and you just pull the guide right off. The reason you want to do this is that exposes the sharpening stone, and I think it's a good idea just to expose that and then make sure that this screw, it's a Phillips head screw right here, is on there, and this is not going to come off. I'm going to put the guide back on, again by lining up the arrow with the top of the unit where there's a seam, and there you go. So again, you can rotate this around, and you select the symbol that relates to the knife or the tool that you want to use. You line that up with the top of the unit, and that allows you to sharpen that tool. Before we get started, you want to turn the item upside down or turn it over and open up the battery compartment. There you go, it's empty. That's because it requires 4 AA batteries, and it has little symbols here, the plus and the minus symbols, to allow you to get the batteries into the unit, in the right way. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close up the battery compartment. There we go, it's ready to go. And I know that because if I push the button on the side of the Swifty Sharp, you can hear it. It's working, and that means that the sharpening stone underneath the guide is spinning around, and that's what's going to sharpen our tools and our knives and our screwdrivers, whatever. One more piece to talk about is this little catch tray. And the catch tray has 2 slots, or 2 arms I guess, that slide right in beneath the guide, and that's going to catch all those little tiny shavings from your knife as the Swifty Sharp is sharpening those things for you.